This is my home. You know the way. You know